Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atineke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieve this gorgeous, lovely false lock using Brazilian wool to achieve this lovely wig. You can see I'm showing you guys what I'm going to be using from the beginning. I showed you a lace net, that is a lace closure net, wig cap, crochet hook, and a Brazilian coily wave. Now you can see what I'm doing. I'm just sewing down the lace net. I'm sewing it on my wig cap. After I'm done sewing down my lace net, we are going to be cutting the excess part away. We don't need that part again. So you can see me now, I'm cutting a shopping bag. I want to lay it on my mannequin head, but I would advise you to use a tissue. Yes, this is a tissue. A tissue is more easier than a shopping bag because the tissue is white. This blue was kind of too deep. I later remove it. You're going to see me as I'm making the closure. So you can see I use my eyebrow pencil to draw out the line so that it will be easier for me to shape out the box I want, which stands for the braids. So now you can see me, I've already cut the tip of my coily weave. I already cut it away. The main reason why I use Brazilian hair is that the hair is going to be very lightweight. It won't be heavy. If you use a expression braiding hair, it will be heavy. But if you use a Brazilian hair to crochet to make your lace closure for this kind of hairstyle, it won't be heavy because you know we are going to be making use of a lot of wool, and Brazilian wool is not heavy, so I don't want to use anything that will make the hair to be heavy later. Very lightweight when I finish achieving this hairstyle. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just crocheting the hair on the closure part, which is on the lace net, just crocheting it. I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much. And guys, please, can you please make sure it thumbs up, support your girl by clicking on the like button, subscribe, please support me. I really appreciate that so much. I won't take you guys support and love, I won't take it for granted at all. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. I used 4 days in achieving this hairstyle. 4 good days to achieve this hairstyle. I was busy doing something else, but I used 4 days to achieve this hairstyle. come out so beautiful. It won't have shape when you put it on. It will be heavy. You won't even know what to do with the wig. So it's better for you to make the back very scanty, then you fill it in when you are done. Now let me tell you how many strands of Brazilian wool I use, because I know people will ask, they'll keep sending message how many. So let me tell you now. I use 5 strands of Brazilian wool to crochet. I use 5 strands of Brazilian wool to braid. Then I use I crochet with 5 strands, I braid with 5 strands, I wrap with 4 strands, that is 14. But at the front I braid with 8 strands, then I wrap with 4 strands. Sorry, I wrap with 5 strands. Sorry, I braid with 8 strands, I wrap with 5 strands, that is 13 strands I use. But at the back I use 14 strands. I just minus 1 at the front. It won't show, it won't. You just have to make sure it's not over big, it's the same size, and you know you are going to braid with a hair. You don't want the front to be shapeless. I try my best in try to explain to you guys. I'm trying and trying. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things, and if you try this style out, I mean this wig, just tag me on Instagram, Secret TV, or you can easily send your picture to my inbox. I really have